everyone, it's Michelle Brock. Today I want to talk about a topic that impacts all of us. I want to talk about grief, death, and dying in relationship to the experience of a past life regression. Now, I think that death is something that clearly impacts all of us. Not only are we born knowing that eventually we will have to give up these bodies and move on and die, but we also know that that's going to happen to people around us, our loved ones. So grief is a very difficult thing to deal with in human form. We love people, we are connected to them, and then they have to leave us. They leave us in physical form. Now, it has been my experience that they continue to be around us, only in spirit form. But we can't hug them, we can't see them, we can't be with them physically. So that separation can feel very, very difficult. I myself got into this work doing spiritual life coaching through my own journey of healing my grief from losing my mother when I was very young. So I know firsthand how difficult it is to accept these losses and see that there's a bigger picture of our existence and the existence of others as well. And we've talked about soulmates before. We come and we connect with these other people in physical form, and they can be very powerful connections. As human beings, we crave connection even. It's ingrained in our DNA to want to connect with other people and have these relationships, families. So one of the things that happens during a past life regression is that you get to encounter firsthand your own immortality by seeing yourself in a different body, literally in a different form. You might even be a different gender, a different ethnicity. There's a lot that can be implied from that, but to literally be able to see that you are not your body, that there's a part of you that does exist before life and therefore will exist after this life is a very, very powerful and healing experience. And then you see other people in your past lives that you were together with before. Maybe they've left. Maybe they've already moved on and transitioned beyond this current earthly plane. But seeing them before in your past life can help you find the knowledge that you will indeed see them again. And that doesn't take away the grief. We still miss our loved ones, but it helps add a layer of understanding that there is a spiritual dimension and a spiritual realm that exists around us. Our loved ones stay connected to us over many lifetimes. So a past life regression can be a powerful vehicle for healing grief around death, dying, and loss.